How to change language in Candy Crush Saga. First up, open Candy Crush Saga on your phone and tap the setting icon, the little gear at the top right corner. You will probably notice there is no language option here. That's because Candy Crush Saga follows your device language. Now head to your phone's main setting, go to settings, tap general, tap language and region, and pick the language you would like to use. Nepali, English, Spanish, or any language supported by your phone, and close the game. Close the game completely, reopen it. Game will now appear in the language you just selected. If you ever want to switch back to device language again, Candy Crush will always follow your phone's language settings. And that's it. You just change the language in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. Drop a comment if you have question, hit like if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy game tips, and see you in the next one.